You're not behind in life. You've just been comparing your real life to everyone else's highlight reel. You open your phone. Someone got promoted. Someone got engaged. Someone launched their business. And you're still figuring it out. Maybe you're 23 and unsure about your career. Or 27, watching friends settle down while you're starting over. Or 30 plus, wondering if you missed your moment. That voice starts talking. You should be further along by now. That heavy feeling, like everyone got the map and you're still lost. I need you to hear this. That feeling is lying to you.
Here's what's actually happening. Your mind is wired to compare. It's ancient, automatic, a survival instinct. But your brain wasn't built for social media. Every post is a highlight reel. The promotion, but not the years of rejection. The relationship, but not the heartbreaks first. The launch, but not the nights of doubt. You're comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's final cut. That's not a fair comparison. That's not even a real one. Feeling behind is a perception, not a fact, and perceptions can be changed. Feeling behind is not a sign you're failing. It's a sign you're paying attention. That discomfort means you still care. You haven't given up. Something inside you is still reaching. That's not the feeling of a person who's lost. That's the feeling of a person who's growing. J.K. Rowling was rejected multiple times before Harry Potter changed the world. Not because she was faster, because she didn't stop. Delayed progress isn't the absence of success. It's often the foundation of something stronger and more yours. 3 things. Start today. 1. Stop tracking their timeline. Track your own. Ask, where was I 6 months ago? That's real progress. 2. Anchor in gratitude. Daily. Just one thing you have that you didn't used to. Your brain believes what you repeat. Repeat what you have. 3. Set one small goal for today. Not the whole mountain. One step, one win. Momentum doesn't come before action. It comes because of it. You are not behind. You are on your own timeline. Life is not a race where someone wins and the rest lose. It's a path. Your path. The only question that ever really matters: am I moving forward? If something in these words landed for you, then yes, you are. You're not stuck. You're building. You're not lost. You're learning. You're not behind. You're becoming someone you haven't met yet.